Hi, everyone. This is Lori Welkenbach. I'm at home right now, of course, like we all are. I'm at home with Bing. I just wanted to say hello to everybody, staff, parents, and students of Vieira High School, just to say hello and let you guys know that I'm thinking about you. I never thought I'd miss a place as much as I do right now. I think we're all a little isolated and we're all feeling a little especially lonely. Who'd have thought that I'd ever miss seeing everyone in the copy room like I do now? So I hope you're all safe and staying well and keeping your 6 foot distance. And I hope that all of your family members are safe. Wishing all the best for all of you, and especially to my students. I can't tell you how much I miss seeing you guys every day and hearing your stories and sharing some laughs with you through the day. So know that I'm thinking about all of you guys, and me and Bing really do miss you guys. So take care of yourselves, and staff. We'll always have the copy rooms. See you then. Take care of you guys. Bye. This is Lori and Bing signing out. Take care. Bye.